Okay, let's graph an exponential function. Notice that x is in power, and like we say in class, we're going to choose x. What are we going to choose? All our favorites. Say 0, 1, -1. 4 to the 0 is 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. 4 to the 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 to the -1 power is 1/4. 1/4 plus 1 is 1 1/4. Let's plot these points. So we've got 0 meets 2, 1 meets 5, and -1 meets 1 and a little. When we connect those dots, we see the typical shape of an exponential function. Now, not that my drawing necessarily shows it, but notice that the domain is -infinity to infinity, that the range is getting close to 1 but not touching, or so it should appear, and the range is 1 to infinity. There is a horizontal boundary, a horizontal asymptote at y equals 1. The end.